Once upon a time in a small cozy house, lived a little girl named Lily. Lily loved to play. She loved to paint, draw and build castles from her toys. But there was one thing Lily didn't love: cleaning up. After every playtime, her room would turn into a colorful mess. Toys were scattered all over the floor, paint splatters adorned the walls, and books were piled high on the bed. Her mom would often remind her to tidy up, but Lily would usually forget or find something more interesting to do. One day a strange thing happened. While Lily was fast asleep, a tiny green monster crept into her room. It had big, googly eyes and a mischievous grin. The monster was called Messy, and he loved to make messes. He started scattering Lily's toys even more, spilling her water, and mixing all her paints together. When Lily woke up, her room was even messier than before. She was shocked and scared. The mess was so big, she didn't know where to start cleaning. Just then she heard a tiny voice. "Hello, Lily," said Messy. "I'm Messy, the mess monster, and I love making messes." Lily felt brave and said, "Messy, you may love making messes, but I don't. My room is supposed to be a happy place, not a messy one." Messy laughed. "But messes are fun," he said. "They're full of surprises." Lily thought for a moment. "Maybe messes are fun for you," she said, "but they make me feel sad and overwhelmed. I want my room to be clean and tidy." Messy was surprised. He had never thought about how his messes made others feel. "I'm sorry, Lily," he said. "I didn't mean to upset you." Lily smiled. "That's okay, Messy, but can you help me clean up my room?" Messy was excited. He had never cleaned up a mess before. Together, Lily and Messy worked hard to pick up the toys, wipe the paint, and make Lily's room look beautiful again. When they were finished, Lily felt happy and proud. Her room was sparkling clean, and she had a new friend. Messy had learned that making messes wasn't fun for everyone, and Lily had learned the importance of keeping her room tidy. From that day on, Lily made sure to clean up after herself. She also helped her mom with other chores around the house. She realized that keeping her home clean and tidy made everyone happy. And Messy? Well, he still loved making messes, but he always made sure to clean them up afterwards, especially when Lily was around.